This tutorial will show you how to automate text in Capcut PC online free video editor completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to automate text in Capcut PC online free video editing software for basically Windows or Mac is you want to have your audio piece on the timeline. In this case, I have it right here. I even have a picture layer. As you see, I selected and highlighted both. Now there's a couple ways to do this. There's a quicker way and there's a shorter way or a longer way. You basically right click on your audio piece and click transcript based editing below delete and above deactivate clip, and basically this way right here that I'm about to show you will basically just pull up the screen once it's done analyzing, and it's going to show you all of the text as you are currently seeing here on the top left hand screen in Capcut. And basically if you want to see what your text is saying, then you have an option to view your text right here. See, it shows you all of the filler words as well, and you can click on one of the words and click text template and you can add a text. But a quicker and shorter and more condensed ways, we're going to click the X right here to exit out of the transcript tab, and then again click or select your audio piece and go to the third option which says text right here, and then you want to click generate. Again, you have a different options to change the spoken language, bilingual captions, auto highlight, and identify filler words, or you can click and generate. The before and after is going to be insane. As you can see, we have text on the screen, and if that's all you want, or you want your text to automate, as you can see, we have text completely through the audio piece and video. Then you can even click on your text. As you can see, it selects it and go under templates, which is the second option, and you have a whole list of different options of the text. So now this is kind of currently what we have. That's not too bad. If you want to maintain the full sentence, click on your text again, and then you can find a full sentence for the free Capcut. Typically, it's going to be more down. If you scroll down as you are currently seeing, you want to go down, and now we have different options. Let's say this right here. So it's going to download and it's going to apply, and this is what we have. Not too bad. My personal favorite, I like this option right here, and this is what we have. Or should I say this is the before?
Let's go ahead and bring in...
And this is the after.
Let's go ahead and bring in Kevin O'Leary. He's the chairman of O'Leary Ventures and Shark Tank superstar and investor.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.